Here we have a 2022 Harris 250 Sunliner Tri-Toon. Does have the performance package underneath. Long loungers in the front. Recessed cup holders with cell phone chargers, armrests, in-floor storage. Windscreen, nice helm with the Simrad and a JL audio stereo system. Does have the cell phone charger, rated for 14 passengers. Also has a nice wide side entry gate, works great for a wheelchair. Does have the door if you'd like to install a changing room. In the rear here we have a flip-flop seat. That backrest flips forward. That part is stationary. Does have a gate if you need to keep little ones or pets in. Electric bimini top, fender holders in the rear. Nice wide stainless ladder. Does have the chains that go across. 200 horse Mercury and a ski tow bar. Stop in our Antioch SkipperBud's and check this boat out.